Hey everyone, welcome back to Fresh Part Friday. I don't know what number we're on. What is it, 5, 10? I don't know. But anywho, today's topic, we got a two-parter and we got some really cool fresh new products to check out. First one, this is an STE 302. It's for a 67, 69 Camaro. It's a custom genuine wood steering wheel with brushed spokes with cutout holes, 14 3/4 inch. It can replace any 3-spoke GM wheel for a sweet upgrade. And I mean, the finish on this is absolutely beautiful. It's an easy install on your vehicle. Nothing too crazy, man. It's got a flat base. It's real light. It's got the little grooves in the back for your fingers, and it just smooth to the touch. You can't beat it. This wheel's got a 14 3/4 inch outside diameter with a depth measurement of 2 inches. It has a flat style base and the spokes do not overlap. So that's pretty good to know when installing. It uses factory hub and horn kits, fits any 6-bolt pattern hub adapter, and we actually have a kit. It's a STE 303. And you know, it gets your horn button, your contact, all that good stuff. So, you know, check out some of our other steering wheel kits, you know, that we got. And it definitely saves the hassle of trying to look for each individual thing if you want the whole kit. Well, I thought I cut it. Golly. So here's the next one. And this one is a house cat. Look at all this. This is an Air 223, a universal cold air intake system. Holy camole. It's a universal intake system that has 4 mass airflow configurations. Compatible mass airflow, it's for, you know, 1999 to 2006 GM trucks and SUVs, 2007 and 8 GM trucks and SUVs, and 2009 and up. GM truck and SUV. You can put this on your Camaro doing an LS swap, and yeah, but it's compatible with all those things, which is really cool, you know. But it's got everything that I think you would possibly need. It works for the LS1, LT1, LS2, LT4, LS3, LS6, LS7, and LS9 car engines. The mass airflow sensors shown in the pictures are not included with this kit. Also, some mass airflow sensor brands may require mounting holes to be oversized. It features 4 mass airflow configurations, 3.5 inch or 4 inch throttle body options, 4 inch intake tubes, silicone couplers, a satin black finish, a K&N style filter, T-bolt clamps, and it's compatible with the 4.8 liter, 5.3, 5.7, and 6.0 and 6.2 liter engines. And I mean, just the quality on this is actually really good. The rubber feels, I'm very surprised by that. Like I said, this is the first time I've opened one of these actually and checked it out, and it seems like really good quality. I mean, you know, but it seems, you know, you got everything that you need. And, you know, if you have any kind of questions, you can call up here to the shop and we'd be more than happy to help you with any kind of questions. Don't forget to go to our websites, check out fresh new, hot new products, flaming little box, and it'll show you everything in or on our website that's new. Let us know in the comments if there's something on there that you guys see that you want me to cover. That would be pretty interesting to do. But yeah, guys, we'll catch you on the next one. AJ with Fresh Part Friday, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.